Hello there, and today we're going to show you how to start a quick meeting on Freebinar. So this is the account manager screen, and it's the very first screen you see upon logging in. We've got all sorts of great information located around here, but we're not interested in that today. We could schedule a webinar via this button here, but instead we want to jump right into a quick webinar. So we're going to click Start a Webinar now. I can go ahead and put my title in right here. Let's go ahead and use my first webinar. And I'm just going to go and invite my attendees. So let's all invite my good friend Joe Fred. And I'm going to include a little message here for Joe. Welcome to my webinar. Now I can choose to put in my conference calling information right here. I'm going to go ahead and leave it out because if I need it, I can always get it from inside the meeting. And I click Start Webinar, and after just a short wait, we're going to be inside our webinar here. Now I can choose to start the meeting now. I could click no and then people couldn't get in yet, but this is a quick webinar, so I click yes. Now I have two options. I can use my computer mic and speakers or my telephone. It kind of shows you how to go about doing each of those. I'm just going to go ahead and close this for now. Now let's go ahead and assume I want to use my computer microphone. So I'm going to click Start. Since it's the first time I've done it, I'm going to see this little window. I click Allow. And here is the audio wizard. I'm just going to go ahead and click Next until I get to the point where I can select my audio device. I'm going to select the microphone I'm using. And now when I'm speaking, I should be able to see that green bar there fluctuating with my voice. If I see that, I'm good. I can click Finish. Now I am broadcasting. As we can see here, the volume is fluctuating with my voice. Now I want to get to screen sharing. You don't upload your slides with Freebinar. You instead show your screen, and we can show any content you have that way. So let's go ahead and click Start Presenting. I can choose between which monitor I would like to show or an individual application. So let's go ahead and just go with the first monitor. I'm going to go ahead and get a notification here. There it is when we have started screen sharing. So I can minimize my window now, and then people are just going to see whatever's on my screen. If I don't minimize it, they're of course seeing this Freebinar interface. I'm not going to actually minimize it right now though, because we're in a real quick meeting here. So right now people will be seeing my interface. Now let's say I want to record. I can't record right yet because I'm actually currently screen sharing. You have to stop screen sharing before you can start recording. So I'm going to go ahead and stop screen sharing. I click record and there's the button. I can press that and start recording my webinar right away. Now, let's say I'm done with the meeting. I can go ahead and click this End Session button. This takes me to the End Session prompt. I can go ahead and put my URL in right here, and it's going to send everyone to this URL when I end the session. I'm going to put it in Freebinar so I can let everyone know about this great tool. And when I'm done, I go right back to my account manager. And that is how you set up and do your very first Freebinar webinar.